Hello everyone, it's Melly. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I'm really happy to welcome you into my community. So today I wanted to test out some new drugstore makeup, at least new for me, but I think there are some that are really new in the market. So if you're interested in affordable makeup, then keep on watching. I want to test out the new foundation from Maybelline. It's the Dream Urban Cover, full coverage, lightweight protective makeup because there is an SPF 50, so that's kind of great. And it's a anti-pollution as well. I took the color 116, it's the color Sesame. So yeah, because normally I just took ivory and like more in the fair kind of range, but I have a little bit of color this summer, so yeah, this I think will match me, so that's something, right? I put a little bit of the Benefit primer, the Porefessional, and we're gonna try this foundation. I'm really excited to try it out because I heard so much about it and I don't have any mirror in front of me, so that's great. So I'm gonna do one side at the moment. I don't know exactly how much. We'll try this at the moment. I'm gonna take my sponge from Juno & Co, the microfiber one, and let's do that. Yeah, I think the color is good. Okay, with the quantity that I put at the beginning, I can practically do all my face, so that's good. We'll see about the full coverage because at the moment my skin is not that great. It's always the case when I'm about to have my period. Thank you, Mother Nature. I hope I have some bumps on my chin. But I did all my face with the product that I put at the beginning. I didn't put anything more at the moment. Okay, that was for fun. Let me see. I think it's pretty. It appears a little bit glowy on me, as you can see. I don't know if it's what it's supposed to do. Lightweight, that's for sure. I really don't feel it on my skin. That's really agreeable. I think that's for summer. It's a perfect foundation because I really don't feel it. I don't have the impression to have a mask on my face, so that's really good. About the full coverage, I'm not so sure because, as you can see, I still have blemishes here. I always find it hard to really cover my redness. I don't know why. When I see on YouTube videos about foundation, full coverage and all that stuff, in video it appears to me that they really conceal the blemishes, but for me, every time that I use a full coverage foundation, it doesn't leave my skin perfect, as you can see. See here, we can really see my imperfections, so what do you think? Did you try this one? I think it's really beautiful, except that the fact that I can still see what is bothering me, or I should really tap it but lightly. But it's a really beautiful finish. I like it so far. And the color is a perfect match. I have the impression, right? So it's a nice finish. It's just that my skin is not beautiful. But from far away, I think it's really think it's really pretty. I didn't have any new palette that I wanted to try in the drugstore, so today I'm not gonna do anything on my eyes except I'm gonna use this Paradise mascara, Paradise Extatic from L'Oreal, and it's in the color blue, so I thought that was funny. And I'm gonna use as well from L'Oreal Infallible Gel Crayon 24-hour waterproof, and it's in the color Uptown Beige. This one on the waterline. What do you guys think? I think it's fun. I think it's funny for summer, and with the bare eyelid I think that's really beautiful because the blue pops more, so I think that's funny. I'm gonna try the L'Oreal. Okay, so the color is pretty, but I have to say that I prefer the one for Makeup Geek that I used in the last video, because this one feels kind of patchy is not the word, but let me show you. I don't know if you will be able to tell on video, but see, it's not... It doesn't go smoothly, you know what I mean? Compared to the Makeup Geek one, I prefer the Makeup Geek. So yeah, maybe that's a pass for me. And for the lips to finish up, I'm gonna use, you know, from L'Oreal, no, Maybelline, sorry, the Superstay in Crayon. There are a lot of new ink crayon, and I think that's for summer as well. It's really, really easy to use. Oh my god, it smells divine, like, I don't know, but it smells good. Okay, I took the color, which color is that? Oh, I didn't see. Apparently there is a sharpener at the end of the crayon. Oh, look, there is a sharpener at the end of the crayon. That's really good. I just noticed. Great. So the color, please. Oh, that's right. Oh, here it was on the cap. I was trying. Okay. 15, Lead the Way. It's a beautiful pink nude. So here you go. I think it's really buttery, and I didn't put any lip liner on purpose to show you that, you know, that's the point of that kind of product, that you throw it on your lips, easy, out of the door, end of the story. So let me show you. I really like the mascara, the crayon ink as well. The Dream Urban cover I have to test out during the day, and I will tell you in the description box below how it was. And that's my husband. Wait. Oui.
Oui.
Oui, c'était pour savoir si tu pouvais aller à Hyper U. T'es où là?
Tu entends?
Oui, oui, je t'entends. Moi, c'était pour savoir si tu pouvais apprendre du japonais. So yeah, here you have the final result. I really like it. Yeah, here you have everything else. What do you guys think? Oh, that's my mom now. Oui. So here is the final result. I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments which product do you want to try. I see you in my next video. Bye bye.